In the past 3 videos, we show how birdwatching technologies enable and influence human connections to birds. These technologies are designed to help people form and maintain relationships to birds. But what is really happening? From guns to cameras, from fieldbooks to smartphones, from bird rings to data centers. Digital transitions that drive specific uses which then become the norm. But these technologies also get used in secondary ways, such as databases developed for scientific purposes being used by land developers and environmental activists. Technology and its use shape, for good or bad, how birdwatchers interact with each other and how they watch and handle birds. The practices of birdwatching brought about by these technologies thus can help but also harm the lives of birds. Social media, for example, has increased the visibility of certain bird species. By prioritizing these species, we improve places that cater to them, and in this process also provide infrastructure for birdwatchers. But as these places become hotspots, other places may no longer receive due care for birds. Also, by contributing bird data to digital platforms, birdwatchers become implicit in processes that lead towards which birds get cared for and which birds get persecuted. Most interactions between humans and birds enabled through technology affect the lives of birds with whom we share this planet. But birdwatching goes both ways. Birds, like people, will try to adapt and respond, if they can, to the technologies that broker relationships between us and birds. Birds will nest, rest and feed in the habitats that we make and unmake. Some are welcome. Others are clearly not. They will respond in expected and unexpected ways to our desires to identify, record, and understand them. This, and what we've seen in the earlier episodes, is why we need to care for birds and the technologies that connect us to them. Connecting to birds through technology makes us accountable to them. But which technologies from the past or from the future are desirable? How do we want to use them? And how do we ensure they will help not just us, but also the birds we admire and love?